Hi, I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and these are some helpful rules to use when writing the formula for binary ionic compounds. So, one of the first helpful tips is when you're writing the formula, you always have to make sure the cation goes before the anion. So the cation is the metal that loses electrons, and the anion is the nonmetal that gains electrons. So for example, if you're given sodium and fluorine, since sodium is the cation in the metal, it is written before the fluorine. So it is written as NaF because the Na, the symbol for sodium, goes before the fluorine. Second, find out how many electrons the elements gain or lose, which determines the charge of the element. Then write the charge of the nonmetal as the subscript of the metal and vice versa. So for example, Mg2 plus and F1 minus switch charges, so that goes to MgF2. So here's just a list of charges. If you want to pause this video and take a screenshot, they're really helpful when writing the formulas. So when you're switching the charges, make sure you do not write down the positive or the negative symbol as the subscript, just the number. So for example, Li1 plus and S2 minus just goes to Li2S because you do not need to include the positive or negative symbol. And when you're writing out the formula, the subscripts have to be factored out to the least common multiple. So one example is La3 plus and P3 plus. So since they're both threes, it factors out to 1, which is just AIP. Lastly, do not write 1 for the subscript. So for example, Li1 plus and F1 minus just goes to LIF because you do not need to write the 1. Thank you.